This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn 3 shortcuts for formatting data in Excel. Shortcuts that I must say are useful shortcuts for formatting cells and making tables. The first shortcut is Contraland that opens the Format Cells dialog. In the Format Cells dialog box, you can change alignment, font, border styles, so on. For example, I want to change selected text into italic and use pattern in the background. The second shortcut is Ctrl-T that converts selected cells to a table. You can also select any cell in a range of related data, and pressing Ctrl-T will make it a table. On the previous table, you can filter data and use other features of tables. Regrettably, Microsoft Excel doesn't provide a single shortcut that you could use to copy a cell's format. However, this can be done by using a sequence of shortcuts. So if you prefer working from the keyboard, most of the time you can copy format in Excel in the following way. The last shortcut is Alt-HFP that you can use instead of clicking the Format Painter button on the ribbon. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.